In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the payment method on Netflix using the browser. Once you're on Netflix and you've chosen the account you usually watch on, go to the top right corner and click on Account, then click on Manage Profiles. This will take you to your account settings page. From here, click on the Membership and Billing section. Under it, you'll see your current payment info along with the next billing date. Click on Manage Payment Method. Here, you'll see all of the payment methods you currently have on file. To add a new one, click Change Payment Method. You'll then get the option to choose, for example, credit or debit card. Enter your card details, then click Save. Once you've done that, you'll see the new card appear on the list. If you want to use it as your main method, click Update next to it. And if you want to remove an older card, click the three dots beside it, and then click Remove. This option will be available if you already have more than one card linked to your account. That's it. You've now successfully updated your payment method on Netflix from the browser.